Hi guys, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Jerry Make It Easy. Today, I will do product review for 3M LED Cappello K1710 DeskLight. The reason why I choose this product is because of the specifications. It has anti-glare function which able to perform up to 80% of glare reduction. It has 5 brightness adjustment levels. It has highest illuminance among the other 3M products, which is 1100 lux or equal to 1100 lumens. It has a cute character on off switch, and it's very easy to adjust the light position. It has 2 colors, mint and pink. The product is this one, as you're able to see on the screen, right? So it's very easy for you to adjust. See, you can adjust this. The length, the arm is easy to adjust. Okay, see, it's very easy to adjust. And also it comes with the separate of the on-off, cute on-off switch. You can see here, it's very cute, right? It's come with the on-off switch with the cable, right? So easily for you just to jack to the light. All right, so let me show you how you're going to plug this. So basically on the screen, on the main, you're able to see there's a adjustment button. This is for plus and this is for minus. This is to reduce the light to 5 adjustment level. This is to increase it to highest level. This is to on and off. Okay, so let me show you how to install this product. Actually, it's very easy. And behind it has 2 holes, okay, 2 jacks. One is for the on-off switch and the other one is for the power. So the power is the bigger, then for the on-off switch is the smaller. So let me plug this cable. Okay, so see, I turn it on, right? You can see it's turning on, it's very bright. This is the number 5, which is the highest level. Okay, then slowly I will reduce it. See, this will be the lowest. Okay, and this is the on and off button. So you also can control this using this cute switch on off, right? You can see I press it off, I press it on. So it's very flexible for you to use. So in the event you don't want to use this cute switch, you just need to unplug it. Right? See, I unplug the cute switch. Then you can see I still able to on and off it manually through the light. See, I'm able to adjust the light on and off. Right? So, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. At the end of the movie, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support me to review other products. And also, please comment in the below if you would like me to review a specific product. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.